Puffkin?
That signal was from 500 feet below ground.
Okay.
4 months ago.
Okay, okay, there's multiple people.
Down there.
Okay. Virginia Puffton, Barbara Puffton, and Edward Puffton. They all been missing the same exact time. Seems to be a family. We'll see what we can do.
Look down. Look down. Lincoln.
What?
Do not look down.
I'm not looking down! Fuck you! Get me up here! Get me up
Yo,
here!
what's up, boys?
Get me up here right now!
Who is inside of me?
We're all inside of each other.
Why are all three of us here?
Oh my god! What the fuck is going on? Help me! I don't want to do it, guys.
Just don't look under. By the way, there was a massive octopus right under you. I was gonna absolutely devour you.
I'm staying in here! This is my new
Yeah,
place!
make him feel better about himself, Dad.
You fuck you, Alex! Fuck you! God damn it.
How me and Angel are just on the island fucking chilling out cooking food. He's just on the raft. Hey, Leighton, can you see the fire? Leighton? Oh, he can't respond. I think he's in the water. He's in the water.
Yeah, but it was right here, thankfully, and I think this is my backpack over here.
Okay, just a tip for when you see. Hey guys,
I need my backpack.
Lincoln.
Sorry, I needed my backpack.
Oh my god.
I needed my backpack. I needed my backpack.
oh,
Okay, yeah, you can.
I was like, where'd you guys go?
You can drive this time. I'm gonna save. I call shotgun. I call shotgun.
Oh, I thought your game crashed. It just said host not responding.
Oh no. My internet messes up sometimes. Okay, hold on. Calvin, get back in the fucking golf cart.
I don't know.
Fuck it, leave it.
Fuck that. I hate deaf people. You know what I think about deaf people?
What?
I just so echoed.
I'm getting so many good clips from this game already.
Shut up. Can't die of that anymore.
Oh no, it's a pretty big feature in here.
I don't. Can't remember.
Okay,
Don't
alright,
usually
where are
get
you going?
damaged by it. When did Kelvin get in? How the hell did he get in the golf cart?
He's been in, it's okay. This is scary watching from behind.
What are you doing to Kelvin back there?
I'm not doing anything to Kelvin. Kelvin's just chilling.
Well, I'm gonna shoot you.
He's like looking at me, he's shaking his head. Like, no, please don't. No.
He called you a nigger.
Wait. I'll shoot you because you're black. Oh wait, I'm black too, so I'm gonna shoot myself. He's the only white guy.
Guys.
It's a Mexican
why are you
standoff. Why are you racist? Why are you here?
Why are you racist? Okay.
You're on
Says
me
you
on
can-
accident.
I was gonna say it says you can. Oh my god! I was gonna say something. You both ate it. I was gonna say you can eat it, but you have to wait for it to cook, and you both ate it.
I ate the meat that was in my backpack. He ate your meat.
Then where did both of them go then?
I ate mine that was in my backpack.
God damn it, Kelvin!
Oh my god! You shot Kelvin!
Yeah. Went out on a boat, yeah. Went to Africa, yeah. Went to America,
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
3 more logs.
Sold the Africa.
Don't tell him that. Don't tell him that.
And then after that, yeah, got big pounds. Alex, we're gonna need a lot more logs than
fucking perfect.
On my social
You can land.
What the fuck?
Oh my god!
What the fuck is happening?
All I did was get in the driver's seat.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right, push it deeper into the ocean so we can go all the way down and slingshot it up.
Yeah.
Alex, how are you still sitting down?
Bug breaking glitch.
Again?
Do it again. Like time it perfectly. I can't get in it.
Continue pushing.
I almost had it. Oh,
Oh.
fuck. I wasn't even in it. Oh my god! I wasn't even in it.
Hell yeah. Now that's Come on.
Come on, Alex, just stay and then we'll get you up on there. Oh, this is gonna be a bit more difficult.
Yeah. Wait, what if I get in? Oh, okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Where did it go? Oh, where did it go?
He's gone. He went back towards land.